My name is John Prendergast, and I would like to welcome you to join me and Lisa Ferguson and Jared Michaels this Sunday in Berkeley to a day-long event on engaged non-duality, attending to our world in crisis. And not only this Sunday, but also a series of online meetings beginning in October, also hosted by Open Circle with a series of guest speakers. And this is a very interesting and profound exploration. We're going to be widening the scope of our inquiry, not only into our individual conditioning and resistance, quite understandable, to opening to true nature, but an inquiry into how true nature, the awakening and awakened heart, responds to the present moment, not just individually in our individual lives, but to the collective experience and suffering, really, of humanity and of all beings. So it's a very rich, very profound, very intimate exploration that we'll be doing together as a group, both in person and online. So we're widening the scope of our inquiry, right? We're not just individual, but collective. And in doing so, we're also opening to our resistance to that exploration. So instead of just cultivating our own garden, which is important to be really mindful, attentive, curious, affectionate with our own experience, our individual experience, widening that to the collective field. And this is a challenging inquiry. We may feel like this is too much. It's overwhelming, the collective suffering, because of the ecological and environmental pressures and crises of war, of social injustice, of socioeconomic inequalities, that it's just too much for us. But in fact, it's not. And this is one of the beautiful things of this inquiry, is as we go more deeply, as we open to our own resistance, our own fears, as we open to our grief, as our sense of perhaps of impotence or despair, our anger, as we open to and welcome these elements within ourselves, we discover actually something deeper. That the awakening and awakened heart, the awakening and awakened ground, has a quality of responsivity, tremendous resourcefulness, beyond ordinary strategic mind. And as we open to this and allow that to move through us, there are spontaneous and obvious responses to our world in crisis. So I hope you'll join us, both for this Sunday and for the entire series. I think it's going to be a very rich and beautiful exploration. All right, thank you. Hope to see you soon.